Hello, Mr. Brown. It's been a long time since our last meeting. How is your life going?
Yes. It's been 2 months. My life has been just some family problems.
Is your love life been not the same anymore?
No, it's my son. He's squandering all his saving on rubbish. I am afraid he may purchase dangerous things, or even get an addiction. I am calling against pocket money. Because children don't need it anyway. Parents buy everything they need. Also, you have to find money to pay them regularly, because they may think they'll get paid for anything. Though to help. In my opinion, when they have their own money, we can't accuse them. They should be under control.
In my opinion, one of teenagers' rights is to get an allowance. Because, first, children's sense of freedom, independence, and self-control, and it helped them learn the value of money, and the fact that money is hard-earned. Second, they'll not feel embarrassed when they go out with their friends. Finally, pocket money makes kids feel responsible and learn to manage their own things from a young age.